Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can leave a GroupMe chat. So let's get started the video. I start by opening GroupMe app on your mobile phone. Now click on the group you want to leave. Once you are here, click on these three dots and you will find the option to leave the group. Click on Leave Group. And now all you have to do is just confirm the action by clicking yes. And there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.